Local news for Thursday the 15th of August. Police are asking for the public's help following a burglary at the West End Superstore on Pownell Street on Monday night. At about 7:20pm, two heavily disguised men entered the store, leaving the shop owner fearing for his safety. The offenders made off with cigarettes as well as money from the till. One 19-year-old has been arrested and will appear in court today, while the second offender is still at large. Police are looking for help in identifying them. Business Wairarapa and Federated Farmers are hosting a joint event tonight at the Farriers, understanding the Climate Response Zero Carbon Amendment Bill. Andrew Hoggard, Vice President, Federated Farmers, and Suzanne Kilsby, Agricultural Economist, ANZ Bank, will discuss the Zero Carbon Bill implications and what that means for the New Zealand economy. And the Rotary Club of Carterton have announced it's time to start planning for this year's Christmas parade, which will take place on the 30th of November. A big day in sport at Trust House Memorial Park on Saturday as the Farriers Wairarapa Bush take on Wellington Samoans, and the Wairarapa United men are taking on Lower Hutt at around 3:45. The women's football game up against the Waterside Karori team has been moved to Helena Park.